In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Wise to Starling. Step 1. Gather Starling account details. Get your Starling Bank account number, sort code, account holder name, and bank address if needed. Step 2. Log into Wise. Open the Wise app or website and sign in to your account with your account credentials. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 3. Start a new transfer. Click Send Money and enter your transfer amount and GBP as the destination currency. Step 4. Add Starling Bank account as recipient. Add a new recipient using your Starling account details and save it for future use. Step 5. Review and confirm transfer details. Check all recipient information, transfer amount, fees, exchange rate, and delivery estimate. Step 6. Select payment method and send. Choose your payment method. This can be Wise balance, card, or bank, and then approve and send a transfer. Step 7. Track your transfer. Monitor the transfer in Wise until the money lands in your Starling account. Transfers in GBP can be instant or within a few hours. Now I have some tips for Wise to Starling transfers. Always double check your account number and sort code for errors. Use GBP for the fastest transfers to Starling, and keep notifications on in both apps for real-time updates. And that's how you transfer money from Wise to your Starling Bank. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. I'll try to help you.